JSON to DataFrame in Python. Most API responses arrive as JSON, and Pandas reads all three common shapes in one line. Records, JSON lines, and nested objects, all read by Pandas in one line. JSON is how the web talks to itself. Every REST endpoint, every webhook, every BigQuery export. JSON is the wrapper around the data. Pandas reads it with read _JSON. The output is a data frame. Same rows, same columns, ready for everything that comes next. Today, 3 real-world JSON shapes. A records array, the same data as JSON lines, and nested trade objects we flatten with JSON _normalize. Reading JSON into a Python data frame. 3 shapes, 1 library. Confirm the files are here. Prices.json, prices.jsonl, and trades.json. Same prices in 2 formats, plus a nested trades payload. Open NVIM. Save it as read _JSON.py. 1 import for now, Pandas. Method 1. Pandas read _JSON. Pass the path to a records-shaped file. That's a list of objects, the default REST API shape. You get a data frame straight out. Method 2. JSON lines. 1 object per line. Common in log pipelines, BigQuery exports, and streaming data. Pass lines equals true and Pandas reads the file line by line. Same 420 rows, same 8 columns, just a different wire format. Read _JSON handles both with a single keyword change. Method 3. Nested objects. Real API responses bury fields inside other fields. An execution block with price, size, and venue inside each trade. Read _JSON keeps the nesting. JSON _normalize flattens it. Each nested key becomes a dot path column. Execution.price, execution.size, execution.venue. Flat columns ready for filtering and groupby. Save and run with Python. All 3 reads land cleanly. Records and JSON lines both come in at 420 by 8. The normalized trades show 6 flat columns, including the dot path keys. Three things to take away. First, p-read _JSON reads any records-shaped JSON. A list of dicks becomes a data frame in 1 line. No looping, no manual parsing. Second, for JSON lines or NDJSON, pass lines equals true. That's the format with 1 object per line. Same call, same data frame, different wire format. Third, for nested API responses, use p-d.json _normalize. Each nested key flattens into a dot path column. Execution.price, execution.venue. Ready for analysis. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if this helped. Subscribe to the playlist for more Python answers.